Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to welcome the new subscribers who have recently subscribed and those who are currently subscribed to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you the nail design number 6, which is inspired by my favorite Easter candy. The Spanish version of this video I uploaded last week on Tuesday, April 16. The reason why I didn't upload the English version of this video was because I got sick. This video is a collaboration with Milagros Mendez Nails. I invite you to visit her channel, give your support and love, and see what she has created for her favorite Easter candy. The link to her channel is down below in the description box. This is how it looks after the application of color acrylics. Now, out of camera, I will be encapsulating all the nails with clear acrylic powder. This is how it looks after I encapsulate and file all the nails. Now I'm gonna create my favorite Easter candy, which every year on Easter time I look forward to go and buy these candies. This is how the Easter rubbing eggs design looks. Now I will be applying the matte gel. I will cure this gel in lamp and I'll be back. Now I'm gonna apply this gel in the pointy, ring and pinky finger. Now in the middle finger I will apply the glass finish gel. This is how the design looks after applying the glass finish and matte gel on the nails. Now I will be showing you the beauty shop video of this design. I hope you like it. This is all for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to visit Milagros Mendez Nails to see her design. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to her channel if you have not subscribed yet. Milagros, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to do this collaboration with you. I wish you many blessings for you and your family. The name of the products that I use for this video are down below in the description box. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Comment if you have any questions. And also comment below what your favorite Easter candy is. I will see you in my next video. Bye!